If you're wondering how long the Temu Free Gift actually takes, let me answer it honestly. No exaggeration, no hype, because the timing is one of the biggest reasons people think it doesn't work. Before I explain, I've put the working Temu Free Gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's the truth. Temu Free Gift is not instant, but it's also not complicated. It only feels slow when the activation step is missed. Here's how the timing really works. Step 1. Activation time. Less than 1 minute. Once you click the first link in the description, scan the QR code or enter the manual code, the free gift event activates almost immediately. If everything is done correctly, you'll see the progress bar appear within seconds. If you don't see the progress bar, the event hasn't started and the timer hasn't even begun yet. That's where most people get confused. Step 2. Task completion time, 3 to 6 minutes. Once the progress bar is visible, Temu gives you a few small actions to complete. These usually include browsing product categories, opening deal pages, checking specific sections inside the app. Each action takes only a few seconds. Most users finish all required actions in 3 to 6 minutes total. There's no waiting period here. The bar fills as you complete the steps. Step 3. Unlock confirmation. Immediate. When the progress bar reaches 100%, the free item unlocks instantly. You'll see a confirmation inside the app that the item is ready. At this point, the free gift part is complete. No additional steps. No extra waiting. Step 4. Shipping time. Varies by location. After unlocking, shipping depends on your location, just like a normal Temu order. Most people receive their item within the usual Temu delivery window, but the free gift itself is unlocked the same day, usually within minutes. Why it feels slow for some people? If the free gift feels like it's taking forever, it's usually because the activation link wasn't used, the QR code wasn't scanned, the progress bar never appeared. Without the progress bar, the event hasn't started at all. So to be clear, activation to seconds, tasks to a few minutes, unlock to immediate. That's the real timeline. If you want to try it, use the code on screen, follow the steps exactly, and watch how fast it actually works. And if this clears things up for you, comment how long it took on your end. I'm curious if your timing matches.